Hi Seema, it's been wonderful finally getting to know you a little bit after a whole lifetime, and really looking forward to spending time with you. Once this pandemic is over, the boys and I are coming, so get ready. We're going to sing happy birthday to you.
Auntie Seema, you know your life's been so amazing. Auntie Seema, you know there's so much life to live. Here comes more fun, here come your dreams, and we wish you happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you.
My dear Seema, wish you a very happy and precious birthday. I wish I was there with you. I want to thank you what you have done for Dad and me. You are looking after me. I am very grateful to you. I am so happy to tell you. You are such a loving and caring person. You have taken care of your children so nicely and kept your house so beautiful. You like gardening and you are always want to learn new things. So really I am very proud of you. I pray to God for your health, happiness and peace of mind. God bless you.
सीमा, तुम जियो हजारों साल 50,000 मेरा आशीर्वाद है।
मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते सृष्टि स्थिति विनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणे नमोस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राण परायणे सर्वस्यार्थिके नारायणे नमोस्तुते Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Seema. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Seema. Love from all of us. Miss you. Enjoy and have a wonderful day and a great birthday. Lots of love from all of us.
God bless you, Seema.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल साल ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Seema. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a very happy, healthy and peaceful life ahead. Enjoy the day.
I am Mangaldevi Seema's younger Mausi. When I was told about Seema's 68th birthday, I was taken back. I couldn't believe it as she looks so young. I was thinking that she is in her early 50s. Nobody will say that she has 3 grown-up daughters. I remember Seema when she used to come to Jalna in frock. and very cute small little girl who has grown up into a bold, strong, confident lady. She is good at heart, little bit outspoken, but that's okay. She is wonderful mother, loving wife, and caring daughter. I wish Seema happy 68th birthday and many more to come. May God bless her with lots of happiness and healthy life ahead.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने सीमा बनाया. Happy birthday, my dear Seema. Stepping into a watershed year, the 6th decade of your life. All the best. But I think you've been doing great so far. Didn't know you much in the early years of your life or even much later. You were like a very hazy figure in the background. I think related to Kamesh much more. But suddenly you kind of came into your own sort of. I think in the last 2 or 3 years I've really got to see a lot more of you and get to know you a lot more too. And it's been a very rewarding time with you. When you stayed here during Rachna's engagement and wedding, got to know you then, and then losing Loki and that whole time, and then the wedding, the second wedding, had the opportunity to see what a true Srinivas woman you are. You know, you have all the Srinivas women qualities: huge courage, a lot of grit, determination, persistence, a lot of patience, very compassionate, a wonderful parent, senior managing your 3 children, really exemplary. Hats off to you for that. And being a mother-in-law, and the way you handle yourself in difficult situations, you know, very balanced. I think that's the most, the quality I most admire in you is your sense of balance. You never go like over the edge, always in control. And yet you have the craziest sense of humor like Kamesh. You can really, really crack us up. You really can get really funny, and you're a lovely person, and I wish you all the best. Wish you every year, every day of the year, a lot of good things, Seema. A lot of joy, a lot of peace, great health, happiness. Love you. Happy 60th.
Hi Seema. I wish you a very, very, very happy Runden Geburtstag. Have a great day. Have a great decade, and listen to some 60s music after you cut your cake. And may all your troubles be little ones in the years ahead. Ciao.
Hi Seemaka, many happy returns of the day. Can't believe it's your 60th birthday, but it is. Hoping you have a fantastic day and many more years of happiness. I was just thinking, you know, what was some of the special moments that we all had. I think top of the list was our Dubai trip with Mummy and the kids and Lavi, Aruna and all of us. You really took so much care of us that we all felt so much at home. And really, I think that was also one of the beginning. That was the beginning of us getting back together after so long. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate also the fact that you are so frank and you're direct, and I love it that way. And also you like people to be straight with you, which also is fantastic. And really respect you for keeping the family and friends and the balance between all of this, right? So wishing you lots of love, happiness, and success in the years to come. Bye.
Happy birthday, Seemaka. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness and joy for today and the many, many more birthdays in the future. It's amazing to see someone who never ever ages. I really admire your spirit, your energy, your ability to always keep learning different new things all the time. And look forward to many more years of you organizing all of these trips and fun moments so we can all have our cackling and our giggling and all the fun. Missing having you here, but hoping you have a very, very special day today. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Seema. Happy birthday to you. So, all right. A couple of.
Wish you good health and lots of happiness always.
A couple of days ago, I got a call from Kamesh saying, asking me to speak for about 30 seconds about Seema, which is too short a time to talk about someone who has got so many good and so many not so good qualities. But I'll try to just recap it in as brief a moment as I can. Okay, despite the devilish look in her eyes, she is a very caring, a very sensitive and loving person, and has accomplished all the roles in her life admirably. She's been, I'm sure, a great wife, an amazing daughter, a lovely mom, a dependable sister, and a not too bad a cousin. So, Seema, wish you all the very best on your 61st, and wish you bliss, health, very good health, especially on the back front, and peace of mind over the next 39 years. With the genes that you have from your mom, century to banta hai. All the very best.
सीमा, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तुम्हें जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है। तुम एक सक्सेसफुल वुमन हो। तुम्हें ऑलराउंडर भी कहा जा सकता है। मेरी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है। ऐसी ही आगे बढ़ते रहो। Once again, very, very many happy birthday to you.
Dear Seema Tai, wish you a very happy birthday. You may have turned 60, but it's just numbers. You still look like sweet 16. Always be smiling and gorgeous as you are. A very happy birthday once again.
आज का दिन बहुत है खास। सीमा यानी कि मिस बनाना हो रही है 60 साल की आज। चुलबुली, नटखट, हंसती, खिलखिलाती, उसे मिला रघु जैसा समझदार जीवन साथी, जिसने उसका जीवन बनाया है खास। रचना रुक्कू ऋषिमा ने उस पर की खुशियों की बरसात। आज का दिन है खास क्योंकि तेरा जन्मदिन है आज। तुम हमेशा रहती हो मेरे दिल के पास, पूरी हो तेरे दिल की हर आस। जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Happy diamond birthday, Seema Tai. When I look at you, I wonder, you are exactly opposite of Seema, that is limit. There is no limit to your possibilities. You are extremely creative, be it house decoration or designing of clothes, horticulture, painting, drawing, quilting, embroidery, anything. You have कमाल का aesthetic sense, and you are loving mother, you are very caring daughter and daughter-in-law, and above all, you are fun-loving human being. May God bless you for the years to come with good health. Happy birthday once again.
Seema Tai, a very happy 68th birthday to you. What I remember is the days we had in Jalna and Aurangabad but more I remember is the days which we had in your small house in Begumpalli in Hyderabad. Now, if I look over all these years, I see you as a very established woman. You are a very successful woman. You have surpassed all boundaries and achieved a lot in life. And I am sure your family, Raghu and children contribute towards it. Have a very good 68th birthday. I wish you a very long and healthy life. Bye, Seematai.
Hi Seematai, time has flown so fast. I remember the days when we used to visit your Lingampalli house in summer. We used to have so much fun. Seematai, you are all in one. That is a great wife, a loving and disciplined mother, a caring daughter, and of course a wonderful sister. Age may add a few more wrinkles, but it will never take the sheen of your personality. May your day be as bright as your smile and as lovely as you. Last but not the least, a little Hyderabadi touch for you. Seematai, खातून की खिदमत में 60th birthday wish अपन का. Bye.
Hello Seema, this is Kalpana and me from Roped. We are on a Sunday drive. Wishing you a happy 60th birthday and wishing you many more years of happiness. Really wish you all the happiness, good health, joy, and also hope to see you soon as a grandmom.
Happy birthday, Seemaka.
See you. I think there are many more people to wish you. Bye. And here there's a beautiful view. We are on the riverside. Bye.
Hi, Seema.
Hi, Seema.
Hey, time has flown by since our fun-filled times out there in Kachiguda, Lingampalli, in Jalna, and Aurangabad. But you haven't changed. So please keep it up.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Happy 60th. You don't look 60, by the way. You look great.
Yes, happy 60 and many, many more. Bye.
Hi Seema, welcome to the 60s. So it's now time to have fun, to enjoy, as I say, Aao jhoom gaye. So welcome again to the 60s Club. Have fun. Enjoy.
Hello Seema.
Hey.
We wish you a very happy 60th birthday. In our language we always say you have a new front door.
Hey Seema, een hele schone, een gelukkige verjaardag gewenst van het Torot, Belgium.
Okay. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, Seema and T from Los Angeles. We all wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy
birthday!
To you.
To you.
To you. And you.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Seema Masi! I can't even begin to quantify how much I've learned from you, how much you've taught me patiently over the years. I'm going to be honest, a lot of the things that you told me or, taught me didn't make sense at all. But now, as I grow up, as I'm growing up still, a lot of it, puts a lot of things into perspective and just helps me navigate through life so smoothly. And that's thanks to the advice that you gave me long ago, which didn't make sense. But it makes a hell of a lot of sense now. So I love you so much for it. And I'm so lucky to have not just one mom, but two moms, kind of. Yeah, I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Seema Masi, have a fabulous 60th. I'm sure we'll celebrate again next year, when the lockdowns and all are done. But have a great one. Mira, say happy 60th. Happy 60th. Yay!
Happy 60th birthday, Seemata. Hope you have a good year.
Happy birthday, Seemata. Wish you for more 60 years. Okay? That's it.
Can I believe, Seema, that you're 60 today? Unbelievable. You still look as if you are in your 40s. Wow, that's amazing. I must commend your lifestyle, Seema. Your parents are your foundations for this. They have nurtured you with discipline, very essential in life. So also have you brought this back to your children and given them the best. Not forgetting Raghu, who has also been a part of your journey after marriage. A solid support, I'm sure. You must be missing Hema, her wishes whom you value more. Nevertheless, her blessings are always with you all time. Your mother, Saroj Didi, I'm sure, is proud of you too. You and Kamesh taking care of your mother is also commendable. This is the blessings you two get. So smart lady, happy Wala Shashti Purti celebrations to you. God bless you with peace, prosperity and excellent health. Uncle too wishes you the same. Dirghayush Sumangali Bhava. Om Sri Sainathaya Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
This is Ramati here. I just wanted to wish Seema a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Seema. Very happy returns of the day. She a long life full of happiness, peace and contentment. I have enjoyed your company always. I love the way you interact with others and the way you make us laugh, and lively, you're very lively. Wishing you all the best. Bye.
Hi Simaka, here's something for you. It's been days of thinking what my wish to you would be. It's tough, you know, when someone is as multifaceted as you. My fingers not nimble as yours to exquisitely stitch, knit, crochet or weave. My art not honed enough, not befitting to stand against the others on your wall. My kitchen couldn't whip up the delectables that your hearth does. I thought I'd whip up some jokes instead, but who can compare with your funny bone? Speaking of bones, this 43-year-old cousin of yours couldn't conjure the yoga moves you managed to do with such ease. I considered borrowing. Knowing your love for the twain, verses of Rumi I browsed, poems of Gibran I skimmed, immense depths they carried nevertheless. But even they didn't hit the right note. So what can I bring to you, oh dear cousin, on this special day? But these words that I write for you, for these words are all I have, the only real thing I could do. Wishing a wonderful cousin with great depths in her heart, an uplifting sense of humor, tremendous grace in joy and despair, who knows how to let down her lustrous hair, who brings utter joy to every occasion, who is teaching us every day how to love and live this life to the fullest. A wonderful 60th birthday and a fulfilling life ahead of you. Happy birthday, Seemaka.
Hi Seema, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Wish I could be there with you, but don't worry, next year we'll make sure we'll all meet and have a big bang, a big blast of a birthday on February 17, 2022. I really miss you so much, and I just don't believe that you have turned 60, because for me you'll always remain my little baby sister. And I couldn't send you anything this time, so I'm giving you something from my heart. Okay? So I'm going to sing a song for you. तुम्हें और क्या दूं मैं दिल के सिवाय, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए. Have a great day, have a blast with whoever is around you, enjoy the day, and we'll meet next year. All the best.
मगर मन में छपी तुम्हारी